Points and miles are real money, and the easiest money to lose. They sit in a dozen programs, each with its own balance and its own quiet way of expiring when you forget it's there. This is the Travel Points and Miles Rewards Tracker, one file you own that keeps you from losing the points you've already earned. It starts with rewards balances. Enter each balance when it expires and roughly what a point is worth to you, and the tracker estimates the value, counts down to each expiration, and flags every program. Active, expiring soon, expired, or no expiry. Leave the expiration blank for points that don't lapse. The Award Goals tab points your points at something. Set the miles a flight needs, pick the program, and the tracker pulls your current balance, works out the gap, and flags the goals you've already reached. It's the difference between vaguely saving and knowing exactly which balance to feed. A travel card with an annual fee is a subscription, worth keeping only if you use enough of it. On the card fee and benefit calendar, enter the fee when it's due and the value of the perks you actually use. And the tracker counts down to each renewal and tells you whether the card is worth keeping, break even, or worth a second look. The dashboard brings it together. Total estimated value, balances by type, points expiring soon, goals in progress, and fees coming due, all pulled live. Open it when you're planning a trip or a card renewal. The expiring points are the ones to spend first. A rewards tracker is only true on the day you update it, but points move slowly. A light touch a few times a year keeps every balance safe and every card earning its keep. Act on the flags, and the easiest money to lose becomes money you spend on the trips you were saving for. A points app shows your balances on its terms, sometimes selling your travel data. This is the owned middle ground, one file with every balance, goal, and card fee together. It's a personal tracker, not financial or travel advice, and you don't even need to store logins. Buy once, and it's yours. Find it at Ardent Workshop.